Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, looking for the perfect case for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Want something with serious drop protection that's not going to make your already huge phone much huger? The new Mous Limitless 4.0 is tough, drop protective, and MagSafe compatible, and it has a quality look and feel. It's not exactly clear how much drop protection the Limitless 4.0 is going to provide, as Mous doesn't publish a drop height for its cases. They just say that they offer extreme protection, but the Limitless 4.0 lineup certainly seems tough and protective. Mous was kind enough to send me out the Limitless 4.0 in 3 out of the 5 available finishes: Aramid Fibre, Walnut, and Speckled Fabric. Let's check these cases out in greater detail on my silver iPhone 13 Pro Max. Looking at the construction of the Limitless 4.0 for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, this is a one-piece case, relatively rigid construction. So we have slightly grippy sides on here. They've got a little bit of texture to them, but not much. The back of this case is going to be the grippiest bit. This is a PU coated fabric, and it gives a good amount of grip to the case. This is one of 5 variants available. There's also one in Aramid fiber, 2 different types of wood, and a leather. Overall, really nice case. So we have a polycarbonate frame, and the sides are a combination of polycarbonate and TPU. Looking in the interior, you can see our embedded magnet array here. This is what's going to allow this to work with Apple's MagSafe ecosystem. So Apple's MagSafe charger, third-party MagSafe accessories, etc. Looking around the edges here, you see this green line running around the perimeter. This is Mous's AeroShock material. This is their in-house protective material that they say accounts for a large part of the protectiveness of these cases. Exactly how drop protective is unknown. We do not have a drop height for these cases. They're just supposed to offer extreme protection. Overall, I think that the Limitless 4.0 cases seem like they are very well made and should be quite protective for your phone. Putting your phone in this case is not hard. Just start on the left-hand side and then go over to your right-hand side and pop on your other 2 corners. Once on, we have a very nice tight fit on here. There is a little bit of give over your volume buttons and your side button, and also a small amount of give over your port openings, but overall, I think this has an excellent fit on the phone. So looking at the amount of lip we have on here, got tons of protective lip on here. I have not gotten around to putting a screen protector on my 13 Pro Max yet. So this is the maximum amount of lip you're going to see, but still, even with a screen protector, you're still going to have tons of lip on here. So this is your classic Mous design where you've got a high lip on the top and on the bottom, and a lower lip in the middle, although still some lip, no question about that. So the reason behind this is that you're going to be able to swipe easily from side to side, and you're also going to have a slimmer feel in the hand because you tend to hold it by the middle and not really the top and the bottom. So overall, I think it's a good design by Mous. Looking here at our port openings, you can see we've got symmetrical port openings for an asymmetrical port design of the phone. So purists will be upset about this. Other people probably don't care. Got plenty of space here for many third-party lightning cables. No issues there. However, of course, the case is going to support both regular Qi wireless charging as well as MagSafe charging, so you might find you're using your lightning port a whole lot less than you otherwise would. Going up the sides here, we got very slightly textured plastic on here. Gives you a little bit of grip, but overall this is not terribly grippy on the sides. The majority of the grip is going to be on the back, and that's only going to be with this particular variant. The other variants of the Limitless 4.0 are not as grippy as this one. Going up here to our buttons, note we've got this slit design. This helps make buttons more responsive, but it can allow dust or dirt to get in there, so be aware of that. Overall, I think that these buttons are good. For some reason, they are a little bit better than the buttons on the iPhone 13 version of the Limitless 4.0. I have no idea why. Looking here at our mute switch, nice and easy access to the mute switch. And then looking here at the view from the top, everything looks great. Tons of protection for your screen. Going over to the side button, same design as on the volume buttons, very responsive. And then we do have a spot down here for a wrist strap, although one is not included with the case. Looking at the back of the case, I love the look of the speckled fabric with the silver iPhone. Looks absolutely fantastic. Really nice color combo. This material is going to be very fingerprint resistant. I can't imagine you're going to ever see any fingerprints on it. And it's going to be scratch resistant as well. Nice amount of grip. It's a PU coated fabric. So I guess it's good for people who are trying to avoid leather. Mouse branding is a bit more obtrusive than it otherwise would be because you now have white branding on a black background as opposed to black on black as in previous years. However, it kind of goes with the speckles here on the speckled fabric, so maybe not so bad. Overall, everything looks nice here. Reasonably slim form factor. Feels very protective on the phone. And then looking at the amount of protection we have for the protruding camera, you have a raised rim that goes around here, and it's definitely going to give you lay on the table design. However, you don't have tons of lip on here. It's absolutely sufficient, and it's a little bit more than you get with the iPhone 13 version of the Limitless 4.0, but it's not tons. So if you're the kind of person that is only going to feel comfortable if you got a really high lip around your camera, then maybe this is not going to be for you. As far as wireless charging is concerned, this is going to work great with regular Qi wireless charging, and of course it's going to work great with Apple's MagSafe charging because it is a MagSafe case. So no issues there. You're also going to be able to use this with other MagSafe accessories, both those from Apple as well as from third parties. So Apple's MagSafe wallet works great here. I personally don't think it's quite as good as Mouse's MagSafe wallet. Mouse's MagSafe wallet's got super strong magnets, and it's got 2 card slots here. It's really hard to actually get this off by mistake because you've got these little silicone dots here, so really excellent connection. Very good if you're worried about losing your MagSafe wallet. This is also going to be compatible with MagSafe wallets, such as this one from Pitaka, one of my favorite MagSafe wallets. This one's really cool. It's made of carbon fiber. And it's quite awesome, but you can only use it with chip cards because it will wipe your MagStripe cards. But if you're only using chip cards, then that's something to consider because, yeah, it's really pretty awesome. And this is also going to be compatible with MagSafe power banks, such as this lovely one here from Anker. Love this one. So cute. So purple. Lots to love. Finally, Mouse has a new type of MagSafe wallet product that they came out with this year, which I'm a little bit less excited about. This is their Folio Flip wallet, and the deal here is that this one is obviously something you can attach via MagSafe to your phone, and you can take it off when you're not using it, which is a good thing because it's not that great when it's on your phone. So you've got 3 card slots here. You've also got a spot here where you can slide some cards or cash. You have the same little micro dots here, which help keep your phone attached on in a nice non-slip way. And this does attach quite nicely and firmly onto your phone. So you attach it and then close it up. You also have a little magnetic clasp here. Closes there. And then your beautiful phone becomes kind of horrible looking. The only really good thing I can say here is that this is only temporary. It's easy to take off, so you don't have to have this on your phone all the time. And it's quite practical. It has a large capacity. You can also use your camera when this is in place. It's not going to block your camera. It's very secure. So those are all really good things about it. It's just the material is not that exciting. It's some sort of a coated fabric and doesn't have a great look, doesn't have a particularly great feel. So just depends upon what you're looking for. Again, super practical. It's just not for me. Removing this case from your phone is not difficult. Simply just start up here in the top corner, kind of move it down the phone, go to the bottom corner, clip that off, and then kind of slide your phone out. So checking out the walnut version of the Limitless 4.0, this is genuine wood, has a lovely look and feel. It's kind of slippery, not a lot of grip there. So this is going to be exactly the same from the front and the sides as the version we just looked at. Pleasant feel in the hand, although significantly less grip with this one as compared to the speckled fabric. And looking at the back, this walnut looks just beautiful. I love the fact that it's genuine wood. It has a very warm, organic look and feel. However, it is slippery. It is going to have a bit more of a tendency to show fingerprints, and overall I think it's probably more delicate than the other variants available. We have the same situation here with the camera. Sufficient protection, just not tons. Overall, really quite an attractive little case. Finally, looking at the Aramid Fibre version of the Limitless 4.0, I would say that this is my favorite variant. Love the Aramid Fibre, great look and feel. Generic Kevlar, so super tough, super lightweight, great protective material for a phone case, and just an awesome look and feel. I've already reviewed this one at length in another review, but I will show you how it looks in this one. So again, exactly the same situation here from the front in terms of fit. Excellent fit. Beautiful look and feel. This one is also not going to be as grippy as the speckled fabric, but it's going to be grippier than the wood. And looking at the back, great material. The only issue that I've noticed with Aramid fiber cases is that they tend to show greasy smears. So if you get greasy smears on there, you got to wipe them off. Same thing with greasy fingerprints. But other than that, regular fingerprints don't really show up. I think that this is scratch resistant as well. Just really quite nice. Just a beautiful look on the phone. And I love the protection that Aramid fiber is going to give you. Just a lovely case here from Mous. Again, we've been looking at the Mous Limitless 4.0 for iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's available directly from Mous and comes in Aramid fiber, bamboo, walnut, black leather, and speckled fabric. A variant called Silver Pearl may be coming in future but is not currently available. The Aramid fiber is the most expensive at $64.99. The others all cost $59.99. And the MagSafe compatible black flip wallet comes in a single color, black, and is priced at $39.99. The black leather MagSafe compatible card wallet is a bit more expensive at $49.99, probably because it's made of leather. If you're interested in purchasing any of these Mous products, don't forget to check the video description for the 15% off affiliate code, especially for my viewers. Many thanks to the kind folks at Mous for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do hit the subscribe button because I've got tons of iPhone 13 series case and screen protector reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.